pixels. Okay, so imagine you've got a 10 pixel by 10 pixel bitmap, okay, and it doesn't look as though there's anything drawn on it. Okay, so you've not taken your mouse and drawn a wee funny face. What you'll find is 10 pixel by 10 pixel, there's 100 pixels altogether. Okay, and imagine it's a GIF. No, I'll stick with bitmap, but imagine the bitmap is essentially 8 bits colour depth. So that just means each pixel that you draw is going to be 8 bits or a byte. Okay, so if this is going to be 8 bits and there's 100 pixels, there's going to be 800 bits for the file size. Okay, or you could just say 100 bytes. Okay, so that's the size of the file. Now, if I take my mouse and if I color one of these pixels in, that's black. If I decide, well, let's go take another colour. This one, I'll make this red. Question you have to think to yourself is, well, how's that going to change the file size? And a lot of people might think, well, you're not actually drawing. You're drawing stuff onto it, so it must change it. Well, what's actually happening is before these colours, you just had a blank canvas, but the blank canvas is white, and a white pixel takes the same amount of storage as a black pixel, or a red pixel, or a blue pixel. Okay, so whether it's 100 white pixels, it's going to be 100 bytes. If it's 100 black pixels, it'll be 100 bytes. 100 blue pixels, it's be 100 bytes. All you're changing is the colour of the pixel, okay? And all it's really changing there is a binary that represents that colour. You're not adding to the file size. If you add more detail to a bitmap, the file size doesn't change, okay? For this example, it'll just stay at 100. You could make them all black, you can make them all green, it's still going to be 100, and it's the same as started off with. Okay, so that's your bitmap.